Hey print fans, Dan Maurer here from Heidelberg, USA in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today we want to talk to you about our new Versafire EV. Previously I had a video out on the Versafire EP. These are our new generation of digital presses, and we want to share with you a little bit more about them and the new feature sets that make them pretty exciting and what they can do for your business. The first, there's been a little bit of a speed increase, going to 95 letter pages per minute, and also from a substrate application standpoint, there's been an enhancement that we still can do up to 360 gram or 16 point stock on the machine and up to 27.5 inches, but now we can do 27.5 inches perfected. And with the right feature set as well too, we have the ability to do a 49-inch banner sheet as well too. So we've enhanced the paper range a bit here based on the request of our customers. Everything starts in pre-press, and we've enhanced our controller, the Heidelberg Connect digital front end, compared to the last generation. Not only is the server stronger to do more to process variable data jobs at speed to match the increased speed of the machine, but we've also added features into the workflow as well too, like the montage imposition editor. It allows you to gang up jobs in a wider variety than was possible on the previous generation. In terms of the engine, we had excellent registration in the last generation machines, but we've taken that to a new level in this with a thing called swing and shift technology, which again, we register every single sheet on the fly, but not only are we doing it actually mechanically now, but we're also optimizing it digitally. So we can achieve better than a 0.5 millimeter registration on a 12 by 18 inch sheet front to back and sheet to sheet over and over again. In terms of the engine itself, we have our 5-color engine, and with very long life components like the drums and the charging elements, the intermediate transfer belt. But we also have enhanced the control system as well too in the machine and enhanced the performance. We have a new toner set in the machine as well as 4800 DPI lasers, and when you combine those two together, we have image quality that is matching our XL106 presses out on the floor, which is impressive from an engine standpoint here. And the graininess and the model is much improved over prior generations of the machine. Just really outstanding performance with those two features. In addition to that, on our 5-color, we have added the ability now to do white first. So we had customers previously that would do white and then they did 4-color over the top, which would take 2 passes. Now we can do that in 1. And you can see some pretty exciting things here, and the opacity of the white is just absolutely excellent. In addition to that, we continue to add to the 5th-color capability. And not only can we do some exciting things with neon pink and neon yellow, but we can also use those neon pinks and neon yellows in a 5-color build. Okay, so instead of just doing 4-color, which we show up here as 4, now with 5-color, that we get much more pop and much more extension into the gamut, as you can see in your oranges and into your pinks and even into the bricks on the road. Okay, it just pops better and a better gamut extension with using 5 colors. Additionally, we also have an invisible red that only shows up under black light or UV light. So we have the ability to do some security features that we couldn't do in past generations. So if you're doing tickets or you're doing coupons, or here we show some type of a diploma, that we can do that and make it authentic and difficult to counterfeit. Lastly, in terms of the engine itself, one of the big benefits of the usability of the machine is the camera system that has been built into it now, and we call it Auto Color Diagnostic. And what that allows you to do is when you're calibrating the machine or linearizing the machine in the morning, you no longer have to read the patches with your spectrophotometer. The machine does it automatically, and so it calibrates itself, and so it gets you into production a little bit faster than you were in the last generation. And importantly as well too, that system is also used during the run to feed back into the control system to maintain color stability and color accuracy. So from the first sheet to the 4000th sheet through the machine, we now have a much more color stable unit and really outstanding performance. And that is important when you're doing things like perhaps some folding carton work where every single carton has to be exactly the same color. Just a much enhanced system over the last generation in terms of color stability and color accuracy in the system. In terms of finishing is same options as we had in the last generations as well too. We show the standard finisher here, but we have high capacity stackers and booklet makers, punch units, and even things like you could do a inline or nearline UV coater with the machine as well too that is possible. Okay? So a little bit of an overview of the Versafire EV. We'll do some future videos as well too to really get into the details, but we wanted to provide you an overview. Thanks for joining us today. We appreciate your interest in the Versafire EV.